Okay, so today we're diving deep into the world of biology, specifically a really cool discovery that's changing how we think about reproduction.
Yeah, it's pretty wild stuff, actually.
We're talking about the fusion of sperm and egg, but on a molecular level, thanks to some amazing AI technology. You probably heard of the birds and the bees, right?
Right.
Well, get ready for the proteins in the dot eggs.
Yeah. It's amazing, fertilization, that this process we thought we knew, well, it's way more complex than we ever realized.
So are you saying everything we learned in high school biology is wrong?
Not necessarily wrong, just incomplete. Think of it this way. It's like we've been watching a blurry silent film this whole time, and now suddenly we have high definition with sound.
Okay, I like that analogy.
Yeah.
So what specifically has been so hard for scientists to figure out about fertilization?
Well, studying it, especially in mammals, it's incredibly difficult. It's such a tiny, delicate process. It's like trying to watch, I don't know, a microscopic ballet inside a locked theater.
Okay, I think I see where you're going with this.
We know the dancers are there, the sperm and egg, but the actual choreography, the steps they take to merge, it's been a mystery for a long time.
And this is where AI comes in, right?
Yeah.
You mentioned something about a revolutionary program.
Exactly. AlphaFold. This AI program, it can predict the 3D structures of proteins.
Okay, I've heard of AlphaFold. It won a Nobel Prize recently, right?
Yes, exactly. It was a huge deal. And now it's being used to study all sorts of biological processes, including fertilization.
So how does it actually work? Is it like AlphaFold is giving us the key to unlock that theater door and finally see the dancers up close?
Perfect analogy. And seeing the shapes of these proteins is critical because a protein's shape determines its function. You know the saying, it's like a key fitting a lock.
Yeah, only the right key opens the door.
Exactly. It's the same with proteins, only the right shape allows them to interact.
So what did AlphaFold reveal about the whole sperm-egg interaction?
Well, for a long time we thought it was a simple key and lock mechanism.
Meaning one protein on the sperm fits into one protein on the egg, and boom, fertilization.
Right, but it turns out it's way more complicated than that. AlphaFold actually found a third protein, a crucial player we never even knew existed.
Wow, a plot twist. So how did scientists figure out what this mystery protein does? Where did they even begin to look for it?
So they turned to zebrafish for this research.
Zebrafish. Why zebrafish?
Because they're ideal for studying fertilization. They produce tons of eggs and sperm.
Ah, so they're like the overachievers of the reproductive world.
Exactly. And using zebrafish, AlphaFold predicted that three proteins on the sperm surface, they come together to form this complex.
Okay, and I'm guessing this complex is important for interacting with the egg.
You got it. This complex interacts with a protein on the egg's surface called bouncer.
Bouncer. Like the egg has a bouncer at the door, only letting certain sperm in.
Haha, yeah, kind of. It's an important analogy, though. This interaction, it's like a molecular handshake, between the sperm and the egg.
So it's like a final check to make sure everything is in order before fertilization happens.
Exactly. It's confirmation that, yes, this sperm and this egg are good to go.
Wow, that's amazing. And all of this just from studying zebrafish.
Well, zebrafish were a crucial part of it, but the implications go way beyond just fish.
That's what I was thinking. So how does this research impact humans?
Well, think about it. Understanding these protein interactions could revolutionize how we approach infertility.
Are you saying we could actually use this information to help people who are struggling to conceive?
Exactly. Imagine being able to pinpoint the exact molecular misstep that's preventing fertilization. This discovery opens the door to developing incredibly targeted therapies and treatments that weren't even imaginable before.
It's incredible to think that we've gone from a very basic understanding of fertilization to having this incredibly detailed picture, all thanks to AI.
It's remarkable.
It really makes you wonder what other biological secrets are still out there just waiting for the right tools and brilliant minds to uncover them.
Oh, I'm sure there are many more breakthroughs just on the horizon. This is only the beginning.
I can't wait to see what we discover next.